minus, of course, is the background is there. We all know with respect to the background in which they saved the life of because of their brave act on the moment. They got three persons got award from the Union of India for their braveness. Is of course very much satisfaction and a prestigious thing for our state, and I really I congratulate them. Braveness is on the moment of an incident is seen, then immediately acting. So two aspects are there. One is it is not a planned way they are doing it. On the spur of the moment, suddenly doing something. Such a braveness, of course, three of our new generation are involved in. That means ancestral prestigious history of this Mizoram is in fact reflected. So I really congratulate them. Whenever such incidents, I had occasion to see whatever happening in such incidents in all over India. The ancestral history is so important. So the people who bravely, because of this the peculiarity of this place, they fought against wild animals and other things. And such bravery through generations is reflecting the new kids of our Mizoram state. And I would like to suggest that, of course, these aspects has to be given more and more publicity and encouragement. And really their service, whenever they had occasion to see a dangerous situation, then immediately without looking into their own life, without thinking about that, all on a sudden they are doing something. So that trend is always to be appreciated, and I am really proud that I am the head of the state. I am proudly say this one girl and one boy and other brother is here. So I really congratulate them on top of the nation as a whole, and actually they have done a service to the God as well. Actually, uh, really speaking, God is creating such a braveness, courage at that spur of that moment. So we are committed to God, and this type of activities, uh, in this field, these types of activities, I think Mizoram or Northeast as a whole can contribute more and more because of the ancestral history of these areas. And once more, I am really congratulating and wish you all the best.